nung hindi ako nag-stop ng Bigo, hindi ako namumulubi. Kasi marunong akong Hala, hindi.
Pang ano lang, McDo.
True. It depends on your challenge.
I'm craving for fries. And ice cream.
Yeah. Uy, same din lang so nagdaan din ate. Yeah, but you're pretty in a great time. Yeah, do you want us to stand up? Follow me back, Drazen.
What challenge?
It depends on you. Follow me back first, okay? If you don't want, it's not okay. Machaga, hello. Machaga, ni?
What chaga?
Arume ako na yata. Tell me why should I follow you, Eme? Ay, grabe. Okay, fine. But seriously, legit, you have a face din naman, black girl. Sino ba kasi? Thank you, Drayson, for follow back. Do you want us to stand up? Nathan Day, hello. Savage, hello. Yung kasama mo, ate, Eme naman. Eto ba? Okay. Hello. No need, I believe you. No. Okay.
Ano nga manwala ka?
I believe you. Itang
Okay.
I am 6 flat. Oh. You're
My
so,
ideal height.
yeah. Our ideal man and ideal height.
Yeah.
But we're serious. We're looking for boyfriend. But our ideal man is kind. And yeah, you know.
Rich. And then,
Ideal for I am not the one. What do you mean? I want to be friends.
ayun, bisa mag-join team live ko.
Ay, ganun.
Magpapakita.
Gusto mo daw mag-join? Tanginang ingay. Wait lang, maingay. Do you want to join? For sure, I am not the one that you're looking for. You know, maybe not now, but if I getting to know you, malay mo, malay natin, di ba?
Malay mo, kasal na pala tayo bukas.
Looking BF okay si ate. Landi responsibly ate okay po. Ano? Malandi ba ako? Prince, hello. What do you mean, sin? Maybe. Bakit? Wala naman akong jowa. Wala akong jowa, kaya may karapatan ako lumandi. Okay? Tama ba ako, Drazen? Diba? Magican ko na lang kayo. Ay, bawal yata dito to eh, no? Yes, tama ka po. Lumandi ka hanggat kaya mo. Di ba? Pero kung may magbabawal na sa akin, hindi na ako lalandi, syempre. Takuta kayo. Eh! Sabi ko yung kamalikuso yun. Wait, BS lang ako. Papasok nga ako. Bebe time ko nga iyang kasama mo, ate. Go! 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 Hoping you can find one. Yeah, thank you. Asan na yung pinapa-challenge mo? Akala ko naman makakalibre kami McDo.
Kaya maniga mo talaga yung natali.
Oo nga. Talagang mo nga eh. Wala nanonood sa amin, no?
Pero ano to?
McDo, you have a bank, guys.
Hindi ka siya.
Oh. Yeah, we have. Only PayPal. But, I'm shy. So, kalikot mo!
We're hungry na. Dala lang ako. Padala lang.
You don't have GCash? I can transfer only to just to bank.
I have bank.
Yeah, ba?
Yeah.
What bank?
Union Bank.
Oh. Yeah, Union Bank.
Look.
Wait mo, ay!
I have Union Bank. Alam mo,
No, I'm shy to Drazen. I think she's
She's generous.
yeah, he's,
Generous, sorry.
I have Union Bank.
this is my dog. Meet my dog. I am not
Send
she.
money, please.
Yeah, we're, nagkamali lang kami. Ikaw naman, oh.
He's generous.
Yeah, my ideal type.
Provider.
Look at my dog. Ow, ow.